Hey guys, welcome to my channel. I'm CineMueca, and in this video, I'll show you how to find your custom URL, set up a custom URL, and remove custom URL. So first, you should understand what a custom URL is. A custom URL is an easy to remember channel URL that you can share with your audience. Custom URLs are based on the name of your channel and appear as youtube.com/your custom name or youtube.com/c/your custom name. In order to create a custom URL for your channel, your account must have a 100 or more subscribers, have an uploaded profile picture, have an uploaded banner image, and be at least 30 days old. You can remove and replace your channel's custom URL up to 3 times per year, and YouTube reserves the right to change, reclaim, or remove custom URLs at any time. How to find your custom URL? First, go to youtube.com on your browser. From the top right, select your channel's icon, and then select YouTube Studio. From the left menu, select Customization, and then Basic Info. Under Custom URL, you can view and copy your custom URL. How to remove custom URL? First, go to youtube.com on your browser. From the top right, select your channel's icon, and then select YouTube Studio. From the left menu, select Customization, and then Basic Info. Under your current custom URL, click Delete. Under About, click your custom URL. Then click Remove. Then click Remove again to confirm you want to delete your URL. How to set up a custom URL? First, go to youtube.com on your browser. From the top right, select your channel's icon, and then select YouTube Studio. From the left menu, select Customization, and then Basic Info. Under Channel URL, click Set a Custom URL for your channel. You can choose the suggested custom URL based on your channel's name, or add extra letters or numbers to make your custom URL unique. Click Publish. Then click Confirm to confirm your custom URL. And that's all for this video. Until next time.